a substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 370, effective until 4 a.m. Monday. This watch includes the following counties: in Wisconsin, Columbia, Dayton, Dodge, Greene, Iowa, Jefferson, Lafayette, Rock, Walworth, Washington, and Waukesha, and the following counties: in Illinois, Boone, McHenry, Stevenson, and Winnebago. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.